Hi students, welcome back to this channel. In today's episode, we'll explore how to form quadratic equations based on given woods. This topic is quite straightforward, so just jump right into the examples. Okay, the question says, form a quadratic equation in S with each of the following pairs of woods. Okay, so in part A, we are given two woods, 1/2 and -1. We are required to write the quadratic equation whose roots are 1/2 and -1. This part should be quite familiar because we have done this type of calculation in the previous episode. Okay, so we try to finish it as quick as possible. Okay, and then expand the brackets plus 2s minus s minus 1 0. So the equations should be 2s squared plus s minus 1 is equal to 0. Part A is quite simple, so we try to use the same method on part B. Okay, we know that the two roots should be h is 2 minus root 7. The other is x is equal to 2 plus root 7. So x minus 2 plus root 7 is 0. x minus 2 minus root 7 is 0. Okay, so we combine the two factors. Okay, we are going to explain it, and there are 3 terms inside each bracket. So totally there will be 9 terms in the product, so it is no good. So we try to figure out another way to solve these questions. We are going to learn a new formula. Suppose that two roots of the equation are alpha and beta. Alpha, beta are the first two Greek letters. Okay, S is equal to alpha or s is equal to beta because they are roots, and then move to the left hand side and then take the product of them. Okay, there are some space between them, perhaps right in the right hand side. S minus alpha times s minus beta is equal to 0. Okay, and then the product of them should be s squared minus beta s minus alpha s plus alpha beta is 0. So you see that negative alpha s minus beta s, we take negative outside, so we have these steps. Okay, bear in mind the nature of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots of the equations, so alpha plus beta here is actually the sum of roots, and alpha beta are product roots. Okay, so we have a new formula. We remember this formula, and then we will try to use this formula to solve the previous examples. Okay, once again, form quadratic equations in S with each of the following pairs of roots. Okay, but this time we are going to use this formula. In part A, the two roots are -6 and 2. The first steps, we found the sum of roots. The sum of roots should be -6 plus 2 is -4, and then the product of them, product of roots is -6 times 2 is -12. Okay, so we have the sum of roots and product of roots, so we can plug in the formula. So the required equations should be s squared minus the sum of roots -4 plus -12 is equal to 0. So the answer x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, part B, the same way, we going to find the sum of roots. Okay, the sum of roots should be the sum of them. Okay, we can cancel the root 7, so the sum of them should be 4. The product of them should be 2 plus root 7 times 2 minus root 7. It is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. So the product of them should be a squared minus b squared. So 2 squared minus root 7 squared should be equal to 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Okay, have the sum of root and product of roots. We just substitute 4 and negative 3 into the equations. So the required equations is equal to x squared. The sum of root is 4. Remember, there's a minus sign before the sum of roots should be negative 4x minus 3 is 0. Finish. In today's episode, we have learned how to form quadratic equations with different roots. But there are some more things to learn about sum of roots and product of roots. Actually, it is a very big topic. They will be tougher in the next episode. Okay, see you until next time. Bye bye.